Hey folks, I wanted to try out the new Cura Easy Remove tree supports, and I wanted to try it out on this Roman Centurion. So this is just a quick video to share that experience with you. So here I am trying to print the Roman Centurion using this copper silk PLA, which is absolutely gorgeous. And some of the features that came out are just absolutely dynamite. I love that jeweled look, but these are all failures, and I stopped these because I didn't want to continue to waste filament when I could see that they were failing. And the area where it always fails, it would always fail to support this portion of the helmet here on one or both sides in the different examples. And I mean, like, I cut it off early just because I saw that it was failing to build the support. I made tweaks and adjustments throughout while I was trying to get Cura to do this. So I thought, maybe it's the material. So I tweaked and twiddled some more, trying to get this thing to work. And although I got the supports, it looked like this one was going to succeed. And it was very, very easy to remove the supports. And it came out pretty good with a lot of good looks. But again, that portion of the helmet, it just did not support it well enough in order to be able to print it well, and completely failed on the other side. So I gave up on Cura. I'd been hearing a lot of hype about Orca these days, and so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give that a try. So I ended up printing the Centurion the first go. I made one small adjustment to the tree supports, and that's I changed the angle from 30 degrees to 45 degrees and had immediate success the very first attempt. So the supports were a little bit more difficult to remove, but they supported both sides of the helmet, and I still have a little bit of cleanup to do, and I'll probably do a little bit more experimentation, but the helmet got printed intact immediately. And maybe 45 degrees is a little excessive. I think I'm probably going to try testing it at 30 degrees, so I'll have less supports and see how it turns out. And again, that was with default settings, so this was my very first print with Orca with minimal adjustments, and I think it turned out pretty fantastic. Why don't you give it a try and tell me how it works for you? It was a fantastic experience for me. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing for more videos.